So here goes the first question. How many of you have heard about this technology? So let me simply reframe it. When I say how many of you have heard, it means that how many of you are able to visualize this particular technology. It's not that you have heard somewhere. It's not that you might have overheard when some people are talking. It's not that way. How many of you are able to visualize in their minds when they hear RPA? So take a pause and you can reply in the chat. Manoj, no. Anand, no. Superb, superb, no issues. Rishabh, it's me, means yes, okay. Pravadan, yes. Narendra, no. Fine. Super. So this just helps me to get a pulse of the audience. And I promise you, by the end of this session, you will be able to, I mean, not by the end of 50% of the session, you will be able to visualize what exactly is RPA. That's my promise. So yeah, I think the answers are over. WhatsApp bots, you can say that as well, right? So I mean, that is more related to chatbots. Perfect. I think yes, I'm not getting a full name. It's fine. Okay, fine. So the next question goes this way: how many of you think that we'll be replaced by these bots in future? So I'll help more on this. If your answer is say in the next 1 to 2 years, you can simply type option A. If it is B, it's the next 3 to 5 years. So definitely one thing is sure that our jobs will be replaced by these bots. But what is the time frame? Next 1 to 2 years or more than 2 years? Like see, 1 to 2 years is option A. Superb. I think question was understood. Not possible, Srishti. I'll just answer you on that. Of course, Rishabh, it's already started. It's getting we are getting replaced now itself. And more than two is 100% sure shot. Like after next 2 years to 5 years, I mean 2023 to 25, we can see massive integration of these RPA in our operations. And of course, many big companies are already doing that. In fact, my company is one out of them. Yeah. So answer is yes, we are getting, our jobs are getting replaced by these bots anyhow. How and what activities are getting automated? I have something to discuss in the subsequent slides. The third question, and of course, the last question, how many of you have heard that CA or finance guys are being picked up for these jobs? Anything, any direct or indirect friends, he's a CA and you heard that they are getting into these projects. No, only IT people, very clear on dot. Srishti. Rishabh, no. Narendra, no. Superb, Srishti. You will be getting definitely once you acquire these skills. Superb, I think in fact all answers are no. But believe me, I'm the one who is a CA and CS, and I have handled this. I think Ayappa has is superb. Thank you. Yeah. So what I want to tell you here is that a lot of people, including myself or my friends who are my very near friends, have got the profiles in RPA and they are currently doing it as well. So that's where we are in. It's not that only technical people. This is something which is technical background. No, it's not that way. And it's like we will be functioning like a functional consultants, where we'll be driving the project and we'll not be designing these bots. Correct? So we'll not be designing that. We'll be acting as a functional consultants. At the last slide, I have close to 7 new roles that are emerging for chartered accountants like us. I'll be more discussing in that particular slide. Yeah. So with that introduction, I think I have got a clear understanding on the set of audience right here. And with that, we'll be starting the first of the question.